At Nikko Scales Japan, we measure the future. As a leading manufacturer of industry weighing instruments, Nikko Scales Japan specializes in providing truck scales, platform scales, and other measuring equipment. Our portable truck scale, the ZAC series, is renowned for being the lightest in the industry, making it ideal for weighing at various locations. Nikko Scales Japan provides comprehensive one-stop services for large industrial scales, particularly truck scales. Our services range from design and manufacturing to calibration, installation, and regular maintenance, including inspections, testing, and repairs to ensure quality and performance. With a history spanning over 50 years, Nikko Scales Japan aims to be a coordinator for measuring the future. We have shipped over 100,000 units of our products, serving more than 50,000 clients, from national corporations to small local factories, both in Japan and overseas. We are committed to providing reliable products and services to our clients around the world, guided by the principle of clients first.